Agricultural science occupies one of many subject choices at senior cycle. We're delighted to be able to offer this subject as it's both an interesting and enjoyable subject with a high uptake at senior cycle. Science subjects are an entry requirement for many third level courses, and more recently, agricultural science is now being recognised as a science subject for these entry requirements. There is both practical and theory aspects to the course, and the assessment components are as follows. There's a written exam, which is worth 75%, and there's coursework, which is completed over the 2 year course, and it's worth 25%. In terms of the coursework, it's known as an individual investigative study completed over the 2 year course. A team is set out by the department at the start of fifth year, and students select a topic of interest, carrying out an investigative study in greater depth in that area. Data is gathered, processed, and documented in a report, which is assessed alongside the written exam. Having a coursework component to the subject is beneficial as it helps spread out the workload and relieve the pressure over senior cycle. In terms of the subject itself, it involves the study of science and technology with the underlying principles and practices of agriculture. Areas of study include both plant and animal types associated with agriculture, and a number of investigations are undertaken into aspects of soil, ecology, plant and animal physiology, genetics, microbiology, farm crops, and farming practices. A summary of the topics covered at senior cycle can be seen in the diagram below, and it's heavily linked with aspects of biology and geography. So, if you're thinking of selecting either of those subjects, it may be beneficial to consider this as another option.